Today, let's talk about Chinese character. Chinese character are the characters that record down Chinese language. Chinese character is called 汉字 or 中文字. It's made of strokes, 笔画 strokes. 汉字 is an ancient writing. It's more than 3,000 years old. The earliest Hanzi writing we can see today is usually carved into tortoise shells or animal bones. And we call it oracle, 甲骨文. Chinese character have influenced many countries, including countries like South Korea and Japan. Statistics show that more than 1.2 billion people are using Chinese character nowadays. There are two forms of Chinese character, traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese. Traditional Chinese characters are still used in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau. Simplified Chinese characters are widely used in mainland China, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and some areas where Chinese live. And don't get confused when we're talking about learning the standard Chinese, we are learning the simplified Chinese characters. The characters with the fewest strokes are 一, 1, 一, second, and the most common character is the. You will see 4 the for every 100 words you read. This word 打 represents the most meaning. 打架 fight, 打电话 make a phone call, 打球 play ball, 打呵欠 yawn, 打针 take an injection, 打伞 hold up an umbrella, 打住 stop. Before the video ends, let's admire the beauty of traditional Chinese character, dragon, 龙, and appreciate the convenience of writing of this simplified Chinese character, 龙. Traditional Chinese character or simplified Chinese character. What's your take?